In today's video, we're breaking down a real short trade on the NASDAQ during the pre-lunch session. This trade is based on ICT concepts, liquidity, SMT divergence, and a reaction from a major daily volume imbalance. Entry was clean, confirmation stacked up, and the result was a high R multiple. Let's dive in. The market was clearly bullish throughout the morning. Right at the 9:30 open, price swept liquidity from the London session, a classic setup. After the manipulation, price aggressively broke structure to the upside, taking out pre-New York liquidity. Between 2010 and 2020, there was a bearish BPR gap formed during the pre-open in premium. That gap got broken, then retested, forming a bullish breaker. Price then pushed directly into a daily volume imbalance from March 26 to 27. That was my first major clue that we might see a short-term retracement. On the 15-minute chart, price failed to close above that daily VIM. That added conviction. Then on the 1-minute time frame, I spotted SMT divergence between NQ and ES. That was confirmation number 2. Finally, a bearish 1-minute FVG was formed and immediately retested. Price then dropped below the midpoint of that daily VIM, closing beneath it. That was the final signal. With confluences lining up, I prepared for the short. I entered short right after all confirmations lined up. My initial stop was set above the most recent wick, and the target was a 0.5 Fibonacci retracement of the entire morning range. As price dropped around 25 handles in my favor, I actively managed the trade, moving my stop loss above the most recent 1-minute swing high to reduce risk. From there, I let the trade breathe and monitored structure as price continued to respect the bearish move. Target was hit almost perfectly, a 7R trade netting $770. It all played out within 12 minutes. Even though I missed the initial bullish move, I knew the higher time frame imbalance would act as a magnet for price. SMT and FVG gave me the precise timing to enter the retrace. This trade is a great example of the power of context, patience, and higher time frame awareness. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe. More ICT-style trade breakdowns coming soon.